Right.
Okay. So,
yep.
Fucking sucks.
We're here for you, sir.
Tired of this. All right.
It's all rusted out.
So taking out the initial contact, you've been cooperative, okay? You're getting tickets for obstructing traffic and noise ordinances. Your vehicle's being towed to the impound lot as evidence. There's a case number on that, and you'll have to talk to an investigator as far as that goes. You're not going to jail.
When it will be released, if it's pending.
Yeah, you have to.
You finishing the investigation.
Exactly.
Understood.
Do you have any other questions?
No.
Am I allowed to have my helmet? Which
No.
is for
If it's
my
in the,
motorcycle? Okay.
if it's
Yep.
in there, sorry. It's heavy. Huh?
You ready to whip up tags?
Yeah, can you give them tags for what? Obstructing traffic. And should be a noise ordinance.
Do I need to scratch out a sheet?
I didn't get a sheet. He wants tags from you guys.
So now it's just misdemeanor tagging Lil.
No, I mean, do we need a tow sheet?
I already did.
Not already told you.
Where is it?
It's on his seat.
Okay.
All right.
You're just asking for
There's
it.
keys in that. There are keys in that if you need it. So if he needs to rearrange it. I mean, what else is there? When you think of it's like all these little petty things, but we just can't let them go tonight, you know. But we take the car. That's the biggest thing, I think. Gotta pee so bad.
Sam.
What's up? Did that lady take her bike back?
Now she's standing over there.
Did we give it back to her? We'll give it back to her right when we leave. Hi. Where's the best place to go to the bathroom around here?
I had to go to the tutorial thing over by
Oh, okay.
Riverside.
Yeah.
That was where we took a bathroom break. Otherwise, yeah, there's really not.
Just the bushes.
Yeah. We're gonna, as soon as this is done, we're gonna pull out.
Yeah, right. What's up?
That thing's goofy as hell.
It's got Murder Apple's police shirts in there. It's got a
It's funny because, you know.
There's a bunch of t-shirts, they're selling them.
Yeah, but think about that. Think about the logic behind that.
I know.
They're like anti-us, right?
Yeah.
And anti all this law and order. And they have Murder Apple's shirts that they're selling.
I know.
It's like they're selling a shirt that's against them. You know what I mean?
Well, it's making fun of them for sure.
Right, because it's not making fun of us. We're not the ones murdering people. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? It's super funny.
These are the guys that did the warning, police shoot They had those T-shirts and a sign inside the.
What do you want? Everybody else does.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, go.
I'm walking out of work.
Turn around. Turn around. Go that way. That way. Turn around. 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 Back up. Back up. Fucking people. How's she look?
Oh, it's easy fun.
Okay.
Under a low bridge.
Somewhere else. Look on your phone. Use your phone.
Turn around.
Jesus Christ. They still only 10:30. It's going to take at least a 1 or 2, right? Is that what
I
we're
don't
thinking?
know how many people they have left down there.
It is nice. It is nice. Since we've been up here, I've seen 2 buses leave and 2 other ones come back.
Full of prisoners.
I got to assume.
Like, what kind of buses?
The DOC buses.
Oh, okay. There's like 300 or 400 people down there.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I already heard like 3 buses left, and there's still like a shitload of people.
Oh, it's just a gaggle.
I think those DOC buses have like the cells, so like you can't fit that many people in.
No, you're better off with Metro
Transit.
Transit.
But then you really can't control them.
Yeah, then you'd have
You
to
know what I
actually-
mean?
I think you have less. All right. Jesus. All right, so we're tagging in Lou, and then tow, and then we'll get on. So we got a different case number if
What
you
are
guys
these?
needed it. It's a
These are
suspicious
just-
vehicle.
No,
These are protesters.
Yeah.
Hey, behind us. Hey, behind us. Behind us.